Join me as I take on the challenge of vibrating my way to stronger muscles and better health. Let's see if this really works. In this video, you'll discover how vibration therapy can transform your fitness routine and boost your well-being. Many people struggle with building muscle and maintaining their health due to time constraints and lack of motivation. We all know how hard it is to find time to go to the gym, to commit to a workout routine, and to stick to a healthy diet. And even when we do manage to find the time, our progress can be slow and our motivation can dwindle. It's frustrating, it's demotivating, and it's a major obstacle to achieving our fitness goals. But there is a solution, and it's one that's been gaining popularity in recent years. That solution is vibration therapy. Some of you may have heard of it, some of you may have tried it, but many of you may be wondering what it is and how it works. Let's explore the science behind vibration therapy, how it works, and the various benefits it offers for muscle strength and health. The science is fascinating, and the results are remarkable. Vibration therapy has been shown to increase muscle activation, improve blood flow, and enhance muscle recovery. It's a game changer for anyone looking to improve their fitness, and it's something that I'm excited to share with you today. In essence, vibration therapy is a form of exercise that uses vibrations to engage your muscles. It's low impact, it's easy to do, and it's incredibly effective. When you use vibration therapy, your muscles are subjected to rapid contractions and relaxations, which helps to increase muscle strength and endurance. It's similar to traditional resistance training, but it's much more efficient and much more effective. In fact, studies have shown that vibration therapy can be up to 30% more effective than traditional training methods. And the best part is that it's not just for athletes or bodybuilders, it's for anyone looking to improve their overall health and fitness. Whether you're a busy professional, a stay-at-home parent, or an athlete, vibration therapy can help you achieve your goals faster and more efficiently. The key takeaway is that incorporating vibration training into your routine can lead to significant improvements in muscle activation and recovery. And it's not just about the physical benefits, vibration therapy can also help to improve your mental health and well-being. It's a holistic approach to fitness that can transform your body and your mind. I've seen the results firsthand, and I'm excited to share them with you today. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to incorporate vibration therapy into your routine, and you'll be on your way to stronger muscles and better health. Incorporating vibration therapy into your routine can be as simple as adding a few minutes to your daily workout routine. It can be as easy as using a vibration plate or a handheld vibration device. And the results can be remarkable: increased muscle strength, improved muscle recovery, and a significant boost to your overall health and well-being. So why not give it a try? Why not take the first step towards transforming your fitness routine and your overall health? To sum up, vibration therapy is an effective and time-efficient way to enhance your fitness and health. It's a game changer for anyone looking to improve their overall well-being, and it's something that I highly recommend. To learn more about how to integrate this amazing therapy into your health and wellness routine, call our office today or come by and take it for a test drive. If you found this information helpful, make sure to check out my other videos and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.